Welcome to Workday HCM Job Management Staffing Model. In Workday, you must define the staffing model for each supervisory organization, and each staffing model provides a different level of control and support over staffing. The Job Management Staffing Model gives you the most speed and flexibility. Let's discuss its key features. With the Job Management Staffing Model, you don't quantify the number of jobs available to hire within an organization. Instead, you set hiring restrictions for the entire organization, and Workday creates the position at the time of hire, giving you flexibility and speed over staffing. Therefore, when a worker leaves the supervisory organization, the job no longer exists. This includes all worker transfers, promotions, demotions, reorganizations, and terminations. The exception is if the job moves with the employee to a different supervisory organization in the company. In the job management model, you can only report on the current headcount in the supervisory organization. It also doesn't maintain any ongoing position history, so the job details will not track once a worker leaves the job. Some other important capabilities of the Job Management Staffing Model include assigning default compensation, no limit to hiring, and the ability to assign job requisitions. You can assign the Job Management Staffing Model during the creation of the supervisory organization or later using the Edit Staffing Model task. Each staffing model has a different way of setting hiring restrictions. In the Job Management Staffing Model, you must set hiring restrictions before you can hire. The same hiring restrictions apply to all workers and jobs in that supervisory organization. You must define one set of hiring restrictions per supervisory organization, such as job profile, or indicate that there are no hiring restrictions. Once you set the hiring restrictions, you can no longer edit the supervisory organization's staffing model. Now that we've defined the characteristics of the Job Management Staffing Model, let's explore how to set hiring restrictions. Brian Sullivan, an HR partner for the Sales Support Department Supervisory Organization, is using the Job Management Staffing Model. He needs to set hiring restrictions for the supervisory organization. First, Brian will navigate to the Sales Support Department Supervisory Organization and select the Staffing tab to verify that this organization uses the Job Management Staffing Model. Then, Brian selects the Organization's Related Actions icon. From the menu, he selects Organization and then the Set Hiring Restrictions option. If the organization has existing hiring restrictions, you can use the Edit Hiring Restrictions task to make changes. Workday requires you to fill both the availability date field and the earliest hire date field. You can select any available job restrictions or the No Job Restrictions checkbox. In this example, Brian sets hiring restrictions for job profile and location. Finally, Brian submits the hiring restrictions. Any additional steps in the Set Hiring Restrictions business process will need to complete for the restrictions to take effect. In this session, we've discussed the key characteristics of the Job Management Staffing Model and how to set hiring restrictions to prepare for hiring. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.